all get together with our friends. The more kids, the better. Smile! Good night, sweetie. Sleep well. But she can't sleep well because of you-know-who. The monster's under her bed. They are hiding everywhere and waiting for the baby to fall asleep.
I hear the monster coming up to me. Here it is, the green baby eater. It wants to bite my leg. Mommy!
Don't be scared, sweetie. I have something to protect you. Monster repellent spray. Pour water into an empty spray bottle. Add lavender and chamomile essential oils. Mix thoroughly and add a label that says anti-monster spray. This spray will protect you from all kinds of monsters. Just spray it all over your room, and not a single monster will be able to get you. Now you can fall fast asleep and know you're safe. An unexpected concert in the kitchen. This kid clearly wants to be a drummer, and the mom clearly wants some peace and quiet. How can you combine the kid's talents with the mom's nerves? Try this. Make a drum kit out of pots and pans. Make a soft space for practicing. And give the child some chopsticks to use as drumsticks. Let the concert begin. Great job, honey. Keep it up and you'll be a rock star in no time. The little girl is just playing around. But it's lunchtime. Come eat, sweetie. But she doesn't want to eat. She wants to keep playing. Okay, Dad will carry you and your toys to the kitchen. Cut the corners off a square baby blanket. Roll up the edges about 1.5 inches. And sew it all the way around to leave space for a cord. Put a cord through it. Tighten the cord to make a bag. Collect the blanket, the toys, and the child in one bag, and let's go! Direct delivery straight to the kitchen! Watching cartoons while you eat is dangerous. You get so emotional that all your cereal ends up on the floor.
My Froot Loops are everywhere! This is so sad!
Hey, sweetie, what's so sad? Your Froot Loops fell? Don't cry over spilled cereal. I'll think of a way to help you. Pull Froot Loops onto a ribbon. Tie the ends of the necklace into a bow. Look, now your cereal is a crunchy necklace. It's beautiful. Put on your necklace and never spill a single loop again. You can eat them right from the ribbon. Munch and watch cartoons at the same time with no worries. A smart mom hangs up paper on the wall so her kid doesn't draw on the actual wall itself. But her child's talent knows no bounds. All this creativity is about to go off the edge of the paper. What should we do? Take a break, baby Banksy. You can't draw on the walls, but we can mark some boundaries. Use red tape to go over the edges of the paper and tell the kid going outside of the lines is not allowed. Your picture has a pretty red frame. Draw inside it. Great idea, Mom! Daughters always imitate their mothers. If my mom is doing her nails, then I'll do my pony's nails too. That's beautiful!
Mom, I want colorful nails too! Can you paint mine like yours?
Of course, sweetie! I have safe nail polish just for your little nails. Mix Elmer's glue with glitter and silver pearl powder. Fill a syringe. and transfer the glue into an empty nail polish bottle. Decorate the cap with colorful tape. This safe nail polish is perfect for the little girl's nails. Now her fingers will be so sparkly.
I look all grown up, and my hands are so pretty!
Yay! We have guests! They brought us some yummy ice cream. Mmm, delicious! But all kids have the same problem. Ice cream melts so fast, and it stains everything it touches. Moms can't handle it. Good thing there's a simple life hack they can use. Put the ice cream in a cupcake mold and eat it with the stick. The ice cream is delicious, the kids are clean, and the parents are happy. It's heaven! It's the same story every morning. The little girl wakes up very early and demands her favorite yogurt and cartoons. Her mom wishes she could sleep another half hour, but duty calls. This happens every day, and even on weekends.
Mommy, get up! I'm hungry!
The mom's nerves are about to give out. How can you stop this never-ending story? Try this life hack for lazy moms. In the evening, put the yogurt on the lowest shelf of the fridge and set up the computer with the cartoon already paused. Good night! Now you don't need to wake your mom up. The early bird can reach her own yogurt and turn on her favorite cartoon. Yay! Now mom can sleep in. My daughter loves painting. She's so expressive. We are already out of paper. Now she's covering her hands and clothes in paint. She is so happy. And now I'm going to have to do laundry yet again. But maybe I can try a simple protective life hack. I'll make an apron and arm guards. Cut a drawstring trash bag to match the length of a child's arms from the elbow to the wrist. Cut the bag lengthwise. Fold up the cut ends and use double-sided tape to make space for an elastic band. Stack the piece into 2 layers. Put it on parchment paper and seal the edge with an iron that's heated on low. Now you have a sleeve. Put an elastic band through the space using a safety pin. Pull the edges of the sleeve tight around the child's arm. Tie the ribbon. Make 2 arm guards like that. Cut the bottom off a trash bag with handles. Now your painting apron and arm guards are ready. Put on the apron and sleeves. Now you can paint as much as you want and your clothes will be safe. Get to work, my little Picasso! Your parents will always support you! The parents want to watch a movie, but their son wants to have a race. Mom and Dad make an excellent NASCAR racetrack.
Vroom! I'm pulling ahead! Look, I'm the fastest ever!
I think we'll have to reschedule our movie date. Or maybe we can make a cardboard racetrack for him instead. Put wide yellow tape all around a big sheet of thick cardboard. Lay out a racetrack using more tape. Attach thin black tape along the sides of the track. Cut trees and bushes out of colored paper. Glue them onto the cardboard. Here you go, son! This new cardboard racetrack just opened, just for you! Race until you burn out all of your tires. Meanwhile, Mom and Dad will enjoy their movie. Dad wants to change, but his daughter wants to have a fashion show. Hey, where's my tank top? Turn a big tank top inside out. Sew the armholes. Attach a bow. Tie a thick cord around the waist.
Surprise, Daddy!
The daughter showed up wearing a dress she inherited from her dad. How can you stay mad at her? Our kids deserve everything they want. Going for a walk with your stroller is fun. But washing the floor afterwards isn't fun at all. Oh no, I made a swamp in the apartment. But I have an idea. I'll use shower caps. I have 3, and here's 4. Thanks, hun. Put the shower caps over the stroller wheels, and your floor will be nice and clean. Did you like our parenting life hacks? Then comment below and tell us which one you'll use. Anti-monster spray? Safe nail polish? Or a drum concert in the kitchen? And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss any useful new life hacks from Troom.